to the online mathematics class, students. So as we have already started statistics and I have explained the first question, okay, so we'll proceed with other questions. I hope you have followed. So the next question is, so I'm explaining you this so that you can try other questions, okay? So understand it carefully, students. Okay, now see, this is question number 3. Okay, see carefully, question number 3. Find the mean deviation about the median. Now question is saying find the mean deviation about the median. In the previous video I had explained the question which says find the mean deviation about the mean. Now this is find the mean deviation about the median, okay, for the data. So what is the data? These are the numbers given to us. Okay, so solution or answer. So the given data is this. Here the number of observations are 12. So you can count, see number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So which is even. See, I have written also which is even. Okay, and if you remember how to calculate median when number of observations is even, the formula is n by 2. So okay, if you remember, it is n by 2 with observation, all right, plus n by 2 plus 1 at observation, okay, divided by 2. Okay, in this case what is the value of n? Here the value of n is even, and what it is? 12. So that is why 12 by 2 observation plus 12 by 2 plus 1 at observation. What you have to keep in mind, students, this is not arranged in ascending order. Okay, so we will arrange in ascending order. So I have arranged it in ascending order starting from 10, 11. How many times 11 are? 2 times. Then 12, 13 2 times. Then 14, 16 2 times. 17 2 times. 18. After arranging in ascending order, okay, then we will proceed. Medians, I have written clearly formula also. Okay, median m is equal to 12 by 2 at observation plus 12 by 2 plus 1 at observation, which is 6th observation plus 7th observation. So what is 6th observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13. What is 7th observation? 14. So 13 plus 14 divide by 2, which is equal to 27 by 2, which is equal to 13.5. Okay, which is equal to 13.5. This formula is studied in 10th also. Okay, so I'm still repeating for you. Median, okay, this is the formula, n by 2 at observation plus n by 2 plus 1 at observation. So till here no problem. Okay, now we have to calculate. See, in the question it is saying deviation. So what is deviation? In the previous question, if you remember, I had explained you have to subtract something. Okay, see, I've written the deviations of the respective observations from the median, that is xi minus m. Xi minus m, this is subtracting from the median. If I write xi minus x bar, this means subtracting from the mean. Okay, so don't get confused. So I'll subtract now, and let me erase this. Okay, so it is same. So I've written here xi minus m. So what are xi? Xi are the values which are given to us from median. So what is the median? 13.5. So what is first value? Okay, so it is first value is what? 10 xi. Okay, so 10 minus 13.5. What is next xi? 11. Okay, so 11 minus 13.5. Then again 11 minus 13.5. Then 12 minus 13.5. So this way it will continue, students, till where it will continue. See, I have written here, subtract from here 10 minus 13.5. So this will be minus 3.5, right? Minus 3.5. Here it will be minus 2.5. Again it will be same, minus 2.5. Then it will be minus 1.5. Okay, so you have to subtract from all the observations. Okay, this is for explanation. Okay, you have to subtract from all the observations. Let me rub this, there will be space then. Okay, so that is what I have done here, students. See, I have subtracted minus 33 minus 3.5, minus 2.5, minus 2.5, minus 1.5. How you're getting? See, subtracting from this. So 13 minus 13.5, then again 13 minus 13.5, then from 14 minus 13.5, then from 16 minus 13.5. you will subtract from here again 16, 17, 17, 18. Okay, so that is why these values you're getting, these values minus 3.5. Same, okay, from here see, that is what you're getting, minus 3.5, subtracting minus 2.5, subtracting minus 2.5, subtracting minus 1.5. okay, so here if you subtract plus minus minus, I'm going to get a minus 0.5. okay, so these are the values, same values. After subtracting you will get these values. Then absolute values. Okay, absolute values. What do you mean by absolute values? So if I take minus 3.5 within these bars, okay, absolute value will be positive 3.5. see here, so positive 3.5. so if I take absolute value of minus 2.5, it will be 2.5. that is what it is here. See, 2.5. so this negative will be removed when you take, okay, within these bars. You studied this in your integers, okay, if you remember 7th and 8th class, okay, and that is same, negative will be removed, becomes positive. so negative 1.5 will become 1.5. so negative 0.5, 0.5, negative 0.5, 0.5, positive will remain positive only. See, these values are same. Now the formula is mean deviation, MDC written. Mean deviation, M is equal to summation, okay, summation I is equal to 1 to n. What is the value of n here? 12. Mod of xi minus m, okay, divided by n. so what is the value of n here, students? 12. see here, how many observations were there? 12. okay, you can see carefully, 12. that is what I'm explaining. okay, so summation means what, students? Add. so now add these values: 3.5, 2.5, 2.5, 1.5, 0.5, 0.5. see here, adding all these values: 2.5, 2.5, 3.5, 3.5, 4.5, divided by 12. Why are we dividing by 12? Because these are the number of observation, not this number 12. Count these numbers. How many numbers are there? 12. okay, that is why we are dividing by 12. so adding this, we are getting 28 and divide by 12, which is equal to 2.33. okay, which is your answer. I hope you have followed, students. okay, so I'm repeating again and I'll change the ink so it will be easy for you to differentiate. Question is saying find the mean deviation about the median. In the previous video which I had sent, I had explained you about mean. Now I am explaining you how to find mean deviation about the median. So first you have to calculate median. This you studied in 10th class and the formula was n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. okay, this was the same formula which we studied in 10th to calculate median when n is even. okay, when n is even, how do we know it is even around? We count the number of observations: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. so n is equal to 12. You can see which is even. okay, you can see this clearly, okay, which is even. Now arrange them in ascending order. After arranging in ascending order, so 12 divided by 2 will give me 6th observation, 12 divided by 7th observation. so what is 6th observation? Count from here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13. What is 7th observation? 14. so 13 plus 14 divided by 2, which is equal to 27 by 2, equal to 13.5. now the next step is xi minus m within the bars. okay, first you can take directly subtract and then you can take the absolute value. so what is xi? First xi is this 10. okay, you can see clearly, students, your first xi is 10. okay, your first xi is 10, then 11. so 10 minus 13.5, then 11 minus 13.5, then again 11 minus 13.5. so even if the number is repeated, you have to repeat the calculation. so minus 3.5, so that is why minus 3.5. I am explaining you how we are getting this. See here, it is written subtracting xi minus m. Okay, so 10 minus 10, 13.5, 11 minus 13.5, 11 minus 13.5. So 11 minus 13.5 is negative 2.5, same negative 2.5 minus 1.5. If you can do mentally, you can do mentally, otherwise you can write in this form also, it is correct. Okay, and then you will take the positive values. These bars means absolute value. See here, the absolute values, okay, of the deviation, that is xi minus m r. So its negative will be removed. Okay, so don't waste time for calculating. Directly you can write, you just write this statement, absolute values and mod. So this will be negative will become positive, negative will become positive, negative will become positive, and positive will remain positive. 2.5 will be 2.5 only positive. Okay, now formula is summation. This m is always, remember, median. So formula to calculate mean deviation about median is summation I is equal to 1 to n. So what is the value of n? 12. Okay, mod of xi minus m divided by number of observation n, which is 12. Okay, summation means sum. I have explained this whole in the live class, if you remember, students. Okay, so now add all of these absolute values. Adding, see, 3.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 1.5, 0.5, 12 observations. Okay, all these adding 12 and dividing by 12. When you add, you get 28 divided by 12, so that is 2.33. okay, which is your answer. I hope students you have followed. Nothing difficult, nothing complicated, very easy. The only thing you have to keep in mind is when the question is saying mean deviation about the median, or the question is saying mean deviation about mean. Okay, that you have to be careful. And in the next class, then I will tell you for grouped data. This is ungrouped. Okay, then I will tell you for grouped data. Okay, so you can try question number 4. Then I will explain you how to calculate mean deviation when it is group data. Okay, so I'll show you. I have done that. I'll show you this question number 5. I'll explain you, okay, this later, so you can complete. Okay, you can complete question number 3. Okay, repeat this in your fair registers, and question number 4. Then for the next class, I will explain you question number 5, how to calculate mean deviation when it is group data. So grouped is this, okay, all this. Okay, so study well and be disciplined, students.